So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download Python and install to your iMac, MacBook Pro or to any Apple computer. If you want to learn AI and if you want to manage AI, this application could be very useful and one of the best. In this case, you have to open Google Chrome. Type here Python. Be careful with the spelling. then .org, python.org. Hit enter. Here we go. We have Python here, the application to download. You can download here, you see, for the macOS. Also you can download for Windows or other platform as well. So I'm hitting Python to download in macOS. Hit this one. The PKG file is completed here. I click this one and minimize this page. I hit continue, continue, continue. Agree with the term and condition what you want to download. My hard drive, obviously. I hit continue. Install. I have to put my password of my Apple computer. I hit enter. So Python 3.1 has installed here. This is one folder up here. The installation is still continue, so we have to wait a little bit more. Is done. So you see the installation was completely successful. Very easy, guys. In my next video I'm going to show you how you can use Python in MacBook or Mac computer and how you can program with this one to create your own AI. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.